What's going on, guys? So if you haven't yet, hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell. So today's video is about the valve adjustment. I hope whatever y'all see helps out with you. Got any questions, just put it down in the comments and I'll answer the best I can. Enjoy.
First thing we're going to do is remove all 4 of these bolts. And they look like a size 8. Alright, now we're going to remove these bolts here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Size 8. We're also going to remove that right there. Alright, once you remove that cover, take the crankcase filter off. Alright, now that the filter's removed, we're going to remove these 2 bolts here. We're going to remove them. We're going to unplug this, get these sensors out of the way so we can get the bolts back there and get whatever else is in the way out. Alright, now that we got that other cover off, we're going to disconnect the batteries. We're going to pull each injector, take a picture so you can remember where every wire goes all the way back. Then we're going to pull the electrical piece for the injectors out. And then we're going to pull this rocker panel holder plate, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to start our adjustments. Full of oil. Alright, now that we got everything off, now we got to go down here. Can't see the shit, but we got to get it top dead center 1 so we can do the adjustments. See if we can find the TDC mark underneath here. Oh, cool. It's right there. See? My focus. There's the TDC mark, which we're going to mark it. And we need top dead center 1 at TDC where this is facing at 12 o'clock straight up. Alright, guys. Now we got it set to top dead center 1. On the harmonic balancers, a size 15 I used. So, let's see. You see right there's a little orange line. That's my TDC, which is right at 12 o'clock. Well, there we go. Yeah, 12 o'clock. So, this first rocker is loose. So we're top dead center 1. All right. So the adjustments, the way we're going to do it is, this is the intake, these are the exhaust. So the smaller ones are intake, bigger ones are exhaust. So we can do 1, 2, and 4. And then exhaust side we can do 1, which is very loose, 3, and then number 5, which is back here. And we're going to use a filler gauge, and it's going to be to a 0.10, which we have right here. This is 0.10, which is going to be for the intake, and a 0.26, which is going to be for the exhaust. Alright, so we're going to start with the intake first, which the wrench is a size 14, so we need to break these loose. And then your Allen key, which is a 5, that's going to go in here for your adjustments. So I'll try to get you set up to where y'all can see. Alright. So we got pretty good slide going on in here. So we're going to adjust it. Give it a little bit of friction. See, I can't move it now. And that one's just right on it. So what we want to do now is we want to tighten it back up. See now. Maybe just adjust it a little bit more. There we go. Get it underneath there. Just got a little bit of friction. All right. Now that we got this one adjusted, now we can adjust the exhaust side. So, same thing, let's break this loose. And on this one, we're using the 26 thou. And this is gonna be the same thing, you know. See right up underneath there. Slide it underneath the valve. And we'll have a little bit of friction. And then see, hear that? I feel like we can probably bring it in just a little bit. We'll go on to the next one. For the intake will be 2 and 4. And then we're gonna do 1, then we're gonna do 3, and then we're gonna do 5. Now that you're done with the first cylinder TDC, you're gonna go to number 6 cylinder, which you're gonna go underneath the harmonic balancer, 360. So you'll be on cylinder 6 TDC, which by that, these two will be loose. Yep. And these front two will be tight. So on this one, for cylinder 6, we're gonna do intake 3, 5, and 6. And then we're gonna do exhaust 2, 4, and 6. Same thing you did. Now that everything's back together, get us a new crankcase filter. There's Dorman, part number 904-418. And we're gonna get that all installed and try that out.